How to fix suspended Instagram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device and search Instagram Help Center. Then click on Instagram Help Center. Make sure the official website of Instagram. Then in here at the search bar at the top, simply type in suspended account and click on suspended account, which will lead you to this page. Click on Disabled Instagram Account, which is the first option in here. After you click on Disabled Instagram Account, you'll find this kind of screen. At the bottom, click on No and Was This Helpful? After you click on No, you'll find different options. Press on Other and select. After you've pressed on select, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, here you can type in my account is suspended. Please fix this for me. You can also add additional information if you want and press on submit. After you submit, Instagram will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue. This is how to fix suspended Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.